Hello friends, welcome to bisbsolutions.com. My name is Sumit, and in this video we are going to see how to perform a column selection from a pandas data frame within Python. So let's switch to Python, and this was the previous task we did where we filtered specific rows from a pandas data frame, and I'm going to customize same. And here I would like to select a specific column, so I write data.loc, and I would like to print all rows and a specific column. And to print a specific column, a simple right here give the column name, and I'm displaying column name as revenue and run. So we get a list of all the revenues from a specific column. So this is the first task. Now in second task, I would like to display revenue and year as well, because we have revenue. So I would like to display revenue and the year. So in order to do that, we simple customize, and I write revenue, comma, year. And when we execute, sorry, it should be two brackets, and we got revenue and year column respectively. So, and if you want, instead of comma, if I use colon, so it will display records from revenue, all the columns which falls between revenue, comma, year. So you can see it displays all the columns between revenue and year. So we have revenue, sales, service experiences, total operating expenses, and then year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4 and 5 columns are there. If I would like to get first three records, so I write 0 is to 2. So it will we can filter it out multiple rows and multiple columns and execute it. So we got multiple records, only first 3 records with respective columns. In continuation of that, we can also apply a filter where we can filter record based on a specific year, so, or a specific you can say specific region. For example, we have region column, and in region column we have a region called Europe. So I would like to get list, I would like to display only those record where region is equal to Europe. So I write data dot region equal Europe. Data dot region equal Europe, and let's print it out. And you can see it lists only those records where region is equal Europe. So we have, these are the records, 264 records are there where region is equal to Europe. And the final, where I would like to display the first 3 columns with all records. So that's the command for that. It will display all rows with first 3 columns, 0 is to 3. And for this, we'll be using a function called ILOC. So ILOC for columns and LOC is for rows. And when we execute it, we'll get the all 924 rows for the first few columns, first 2 columns, 0 is to. So that's how we can apply column selections on a pandas data frame in Python. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.